Today is day 8 of my Brazil trip, but day 2 of the Brazil group trip. We are going on a boat. Cheers!
Do we have like better like glasses?
Not so many, no.
Então, ó, primeiramente aqui no canal, eu vou estar explicando a rota de navegação para vocês ficarem a par e as ordens de parada.
So he's gonna explain the order that we are gonna start. Okay.
Então, ó, a gente vai sair.
Some of the girls will be snorkeling. We're going to be taking a boat to a few different islands, jump in, and then finish up with lunch before heading back to Ilha Grande. Wait, now I know. Now I know what you do.
Saludan a Titi.
Selfie.
Say cheese.
Yes. Cheers. Cheers.